What I'm going to go over today is how to transfer data from the Zoll X-Series monitor into ESO Solutions software. It is absolutely wonderful. There's some components here. We'll talk first about the jetpack. On Crew 1 and Crew 7, where the X-Series monitors are going, they're going to have jetpacks on them. And what this jetpack does is actually two things. It gives internet access to the computer, which we need at time to time, and it also allows the monitor to connect through the jetpack to the computer. It actually acts as a router. These are on the trucks. You'll see the blue light flashing. As long as the blue light's flashing, you don't need to do anything other than keep them plugged up, keep them charged, make sure the blue light's flashing, and it should be working. Everything's paired together and everything's working fine. So there is an on-off button on the top. If for some reason the blue light's not flashing and you have it plugged in, you may try to hit the power button on the top to power it back on, but these need to be on all the time. 7 days a week, 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. It's a pretty neat process, and we'll go over that now. When you look at the X-Series screen, you'll see the little antenna up here on top. When it's connected to the jetpack, you're going to have green around it, solid green, and that lets you know that you're connected. So this is the way you're going to transmit your 12 leads and talk back and forth to the ESO software. Now we're on the screen with the ESO software. All you have to do on this screen is come down, hit the import button. Once you hit the import button, make sure the Wi-Fi up there is selected, which if you have an X-Series on your truck, it should be. And it'll pull up the calls that are stored in this monitor. It pulls up the calls. It'll tell you what time it is. This one will actually tell you current. You can actually do this download before you take the monitor off the patient. The monitor, you actually don't have to push any buttons or do anything to the monitor. So that is awesome. I see one down here. It's got a couple shocks and a couple stuff, probably where they were training on the X-Series. So we'll go and we'll select that run to be imported. You select that, you hit import, and that's it. It does take 30 seconds or so to download it. There's no wires, there's no buttons to push on the monitor. It's all done from ESO. So now it's already put it in. It shows several sets of vitals, how they were taken. It looks like it is monitor training. Don't see BP, so it's probably monitor training. You can go over here to the flow chart and it's put in all your defibrillation times, all your pacing times, stuff like that. So that is as simple as it gets. Actually 2 buttons that you have to push. So we'll go back out here to the main page. This has a 12 lead attached. That's the 12 lead that it attached. So This is a lot better than the E-Series. Very easy to transfer data. No cords, no cables, nothing to push on the monitor. Really pretty good.